15 Psychology Secrets about Human Behavior. And Why They Matter for Learning English. A freestyle American English original story. Have you ever wondered why some people learn English fast and others quit after 2 weeks? It's not just talent. It's psychology. Today I'm going to tell you 15 human behavior facts that explain your motivation, your mistakes, your bad days, and how to fix them. The brain loves survival first. Psychology fact: the brain cares about safety before progress. So when you speak English and feel nervous, your brain says, let's not get embarrassed. That's normal. Tell your students, you're not bad at English, your brain is protecting you. When you name the fear, it gets smaller. What we repeat, we believe. Humans believe things they hear over and over, even from themselves. So if a student keeps saying, my English is terrible, the brain starts to believe it. Flip it, my English is getting clearer every week. Repetition programs the mind. Emotion equals memory glue. We remember emotional moments better than boring information. That's why stories work better than grammar charts. When you make them laugh, cry, or remember their grandma, the English sticks. We hate feeling stupid. Humans will avoid situations where they feel dumb. That's why students say, I'll start speaking when I'm ready. Your job as the teacher is to make mistakes safe. If mistakes are allowed, speaking happens. Small wins keep us going. Psychology shows the progress principle. People stay motivated when they see tiny progress. So don't only celebrate fluency, celebrate a good sentence, a new phrasal verb, a brave voice note. Micro wins equals long-term learners. We learn better for people, not for tests. Humans are social. We learn faster when we feel seen, supported, and connected. That's why conversation lessons work. We're wired to talk to other humans, not to fill out worksheets. The spotlight effect. People think everyone is watching and judging them. Reality, nobody is thinking about your English. They're thinking about their English. When students understand this, they speak more courageously. Cognitive load is real. When too much information hits at once, the brain shuts down. So if a student can't talk, it's not because they're lazy, it's because grammar plus new vocab plus pronunciation equals overload. Solution: teach one clear thing at a time. We copy what we see. Humans are natural imitators, mirror neurons. So hearing natural English daily, YouTube, teacher stories, real conversations, is better than only studying rules. Input first. Output gets easier. Confidence comes after, not before. Most people wait for confidence before speaking. Psychology says confidence comes after doing the scary thing. So tell them, speak badly first. Confidence will catch up. We're motivated by identity. We stick to things that match who we think we are. So instead of I'm studying English, switch to I'm an English speaker who's improving. Identity level language learning is way more powerful. The Zeigarnik effect. Humans remember unfinished tasks. Use this in ESL, leave an open loop, a story that continues next lesson, a dialogue to finish, a mystery word. Their brain will keep thinking about it. We learn faster when we teach. Explaining something to someone else forces deeper understanding. So tell your students, teach this idiom to your friend, spouse, or kid. Teaching equals learning twice. Environment beats willpower. We act like the people and places around us. If their environment is Turkish, Spanish, Arabic all day, English loses. So help them build a mini English world. Phone in English, YouTube in English, friends in English. The brain loves stories of progress. Humans love to see themselves getting better. So show them their old voice notes. Show them day 1 versus day 30. When they see progress, they keep going. So if you thought you were bad at English, you aren't. You were just being human. Use psychology, not punishment. If you want more stories like this, more human behavior English lessons, subscribe and keep learning with me.